Colfax High wood chop with our new Makilta 12-inch double bevel sliding chop saw. Today I'm going to go over how to cut dados with this sliding chop saw. This is really a cool feature here. I don't know if you come all the way in here. So this is a fine stop here on your depth of cut. If you want to use this for cutting dados or rabbits, the way you do that is you pull this tab over, and then this is now stopping it. So you could see right here, I'm like I don't know, a ½ inch up, and then the adjustment on that is, this will make it go deeper, clockwise will make it go shallower. Okay, this adjustment right here is your overall cut depth. Okay, so I have this tab out, so this stop could stop on it, but it's not going to go all the way back through the fence. So I do need a spacer board. So I'm going to take a spacer board, place it here. I should clamp this down. So I'm going to use my clamp. So I want to clamp this down. And then now, I'm still holding it. I'm going to cut. Make a little bit of a cut there. I can loosen this up a little bit. Go over. Make another cut. And keep working it down. So I'm able to cut dados with this sliding chop saw. So I could make really nice dados using that fixed stop on the top, and I'm all done with those dados. I just slide this back in and it goes all the way back down.